Hi everyone! Welcome to IMEE's Cooking and Baking channel. I have a cake recipe to share with you. This recipe is done in a few minutes. Yes, in 5 minutes, you have all mixed the ingredients and the batter is ready to be put in the oven. This cake recipe does not need butter and egg. So, let's get started! In a medium-sized bowl, pour 320 ml milk, 150 grams sugar, 70 ml vegetable oil or seed oil, and mix them well. Sift the flour, cacao powder, baking powder, and vanilla powder before incorporating them gradually to the mixture. Mix all the ingredients. You don't need an electric mixer to do this. You can do this manually with the help of a whisk. Now that the chocolate batter is ready, prepare a baking pan with a diameter of 25 centimeters. You may or may not put parchment paper in the baking pan, but if you don't put parchment paper, grease the baking pan and dust it with a little flour. In the oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes or until it's done. Now that the chocolate cake is ready, melt 100 grams of chocolate and pour it on top and spread it. Sprinkle nuts in granules, whatever you like, almond nuts, peanuts, hazelnuts, or pistachios. The chocolate cake is ready. Let's taste. Try this chocolate cake, ideal for breakfast or as a snack, paired with hot coffee or hot tea. Thanks for watching.